Hello students, welcome in the chemistry class, chemical kinetics, and in this chapter today we will discuss about the integrated rate law equations. Before going to the topic, we must know that what is the integrated rate law equation, that is which tells about the relation of rate of reaction with the concentration terms on which rate of reaction actually depends. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का कंसंट्रेशन की उन टर्म्स के साथ क्या रिलेशन है जिन पर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन एक्चुअली डिपेंड करता है, ये रिलेशन कहलाता है रेट लॉ इक्वेशन। एंड रेट लॉ इक्वेशन के बेस पर हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, दैट इज द सम ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स which are written as the powers on concentration terms in rate law equation. We have to first know how can we derive the rate law equation or integrated rate equation for different order of reaction. So first of all, we are discussing the derivation of integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. What is this zero order reaction? Zero order reaction means the rate of reaction is independent of concentration of the reactants, means that depends upon the zero power of the concentration terms. Concentration terms की zero power पर rate of reaction depend करता है, that is zero order. For zero order equation, let us consider A is the reactant and converts into product. For derivation, let concentration of reactant A is represented as A in bracket, symbol in bracket, and rate of reaction as compared to A, dA upon dt directly proportional to zero power of concentration term and equal to K A power 0. A power 0 means equal to 1. So minus dA upon dt is equal to K and dA minus K into dt. On taking integration, इसका इंटीग्रेशन लेने पर एक टर्म इंटीग्रेशन इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ माइनस के डी टी इक्वल टू ए नोट माइनस के टी प्लस सी. C is the constant of integration, and to find out the value of C, let t is equal to 0, so A is equal to A naught, and then placing these values we can find out A naught is equal to minus KT plus A naught. So that is the equation number 1. For zero order equation, when we derive it, relation is concentration of A is equal to minus KT plus concentration of A at 0 time. Now taking this equation, minus KT is equal to A minus A naught, or KT is equal to A naught minus A. So K is equal to A naught minus A divided by T. So that is the relation for rate constant for zero order reaction. We can verify the zero order reaction. A is equal to minus KT plus A naught. Now taking this one, we plot a graph between concentration of reactants and time. The graph will be in descending order because this value is minus KT, and the slope will be equal to minus K. So if we are having the value of slope from the experiment, then we can find out the K, or if we are having the value of K, we can find out the slope of this graph. So that is the zero order equation. The very important question is that In exams you may be asked, you are given the graph, ये अब इस तरह का आपको ग्राफ दिया जाएगा, और अगर ये ग्राफ कंसंट्रेशन वर्सेस टाइम है और इस तरह से ग्राफ है, इट मींस ये होगी जीरो ऑर्डर इक्वेशन। जीरो ऑर्डर इक्वेशन के लिए जब रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन is plotted against the concentration terms at different times, the graph will be line which indicates that rate of reaction is independent of the concentration। तो यहां पर दो बातें हमें स्पेशली ध्यान रखनी होगी। नंबर वन, ये ग्राफ कंसंट्रेशन वर्सेस टाइम, एंड स्लोप विल बी डिसेंडिंग, एंड स्लोप की वैल्यू होगी -k। ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि आपसे पूछा जा सकता है। एंड सेकेंड वन इज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन कंसंट्रेशन के अगेंस्ट, ग्राफ मिल रहा है पैरेलल टू कंसंट्रेशन एक्सेस, एंड इट इंडिकेट्स दैट इट इज जीरो ऑर्डर इक्वेशन। half life period for zero order equation. How can we calculate the half life period? We must know what is half life. Half life period क्या है? That is the time in which half of the reaction completes, or the time in which the concentration of reactant remains half of its initial amount। जितना अमाउंट इनिशियली लेके चले हैं उसका आधा अमाउंट जितने टाइम में बचेगा वो टाइम कहलाएगा हाफ लाइफ पीरियड। सो हाफ लाइफ पीरियड का रिलेशन जीरो ऑर्डर इक्वेशन के लिए निकालने के लिए वी मस्ट नो दैट हाफ लाइफ मीन्स टी हाफ। टी हाफ मीन्स एट टी हाफ concentration term will be equal to half of initial amount. Placing this value, k is equal to a naught minus a naught by 2 divided by t time, and k is equal to a naught by 2 t half, or we can say t half for zero order equation is equal to initial concentration divided by 2 into k। So ये जो इक्वेशन है ये इंडिकेट कर रही है, क्या इंडिकेट करती है? नंबर वन, t half for zero order equation is directly proportional to concentration at zero time or initial concentration। Second point is half life period for zero order equation is inversely proportional to k। और इस रिलेशन को देखते हुए हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं जीरो ऑर्डर इक्वेशन मींस रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू।